Namaskar and welcome to Kiran News. Let's have a look at the headlines. 74th Independence Day celebrated at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region with COVID curves. ICAR scientists provide aids to distressed farmers amidst COVID-19 crisis. Trinity Sayu from Jaintia has received the highest civilian award for innovation in farming. And 6 Northeast scientists gets ICAR award for work in agriculture. Now the news in details. Along with the rest of the nation, 74th Independence Day was celebrated at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, abiding with the COVID-19 protocols. The national flag was unfurled in the institute. Addressing the state, after the institute director of the institute, Dr. B.K. Kantpal, said, "Fortunate are those who are born free, and Independence Day is the occasion to remember all those who struggled to get us freedom and gifted us an independent India. Thousands of people laid their lives to this cause. Let us value and celebrate it with pride and pledge to contribute to national building by our acts, deeds and capabilities." The year 2020 has been a tough year. During the difficult times, the scientists of the institute took various initiatives to help the farmers. To mention a few, 600 kgs of strawberry was marketed during the lockdown to save the farmer from huge loss. Scientists from the Division of Social Science initiated the transportation and marketing to help the distressed farmer. The Animal Health Division organized health camps to provide medical aid to the animals during the tough phase of lockdown. NRM Division distributed knapsack sprayers in different locations of the state for community sanitization. Under the aegis of the director of the institute, Dr. B.K. Kantpal, Animal Health Clinic was inaugurated on the 27th of June to cater to the needs of farmers of the region. Adhering to the COVID-19 protocols, the inauguration was held in the presence of the director and the head of the divisions. The Animal Health Clinic will cater to the ailing livestock of the region. Speaking on the occasion, the director of the institute said that the initiative is just a stepping stone towards the ultimate goal of making the best animal health clinic in Northeast. Dr. Arnav Sen, head of the Division of Animal Health, said the Animal Health Clinic was need of the hour. The clinic is fully functional to serve the livestock owners of the region. Many disease-affected livestock and pets, which often go unnoticed and uncared. Now, with this facility, it will be possible for proper diagnosis and treatment of these diseased animals. Animal health sector includes 3 aspects: surveillance, treatment, and a secured environment to treat the diseased animal. The zoonotic diseases, also known as zoonoses, are caused by germs that spread between animals and people and need utmost precaution in treating these animals. The functional cleaning is a boon to the livestock owners of the region as well as the manpower behind handling the diseased animals. Shri Purushottam Rupala, Honorable Minister of State for Agri and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, addressed a workshop on the Soil Health Card and Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern region on the 19th of February. The workshop was organized by ICAR Atali, Unyam in collaboration with ICAR Research Complex for NEH region. The Professor M.S. Swaminathan Auditorium program was attended by the officials of the states of Northeastern region, scientists from Northeast region and staffs of KVKs and progressive farmers. International Women's Day is a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women. The Women's Cell of ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern region on March 8 celebrated the spirit of womanhood with colorful celebrations at Professor Swaminathan Auditorium in unison with the theme of the year, "I Am Generational Equality, Realizing Women's Rights." A series of lectures were arranged to enlighten the gathering about legal rights. The program included talent search and Go As You Like. The Go As You Like program was dedicated to discover Northeast various traditional attires were depicted by the participants. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. It's also an important tool for policymakers striving towards gender equality. A brief presentation was delivered by Dr. A.K. Buru, Senior Scientist Animal Health and in-charge chairperson of Women's Cell on coronavirus, who briefed the gathering about who recommended do's and don'ts to prevent novel coronavirus. The gathering also witnessed the precautions to be used during any public gathering. There was use of sanitizers before entry and exit and the premises. The motto of the program was to sensitize the staff about gender disparity and emphasis on the fact that gender equality is the need for a developed society. We do not need a special treatment, all we need is an equal treatment. A review meeting was held on the 13th of May with the aid of video conferencing application at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region with the Honorable Deputy Director General Natural Resource Management, ICR Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, who reviewed the scientific activities of the Institute undertaken during 2019 and 20. With the ongoing crisis and its COVID-19 outbreak, the review meeting was the need of the hour. Director of the Institute, Dr. B.K. Kanpal, presented the activities of the Institute covering research and extension activities undertaken during the last planned period. Scientists of the Institute attended the meeting of the Institute in the committee room. Head of regional centers and scientists also attended through video conferencing. 52-year-old woman from Jaintia Hills region was conferred with the Padma Shri Award for her distinguished service in spearheading the women-led turmeric farming movement in Meghalaya, enabling the women farmers to triple their income. Trinity Sahu, a school teacher by profession, was among the 34 women who were awarded the highest civilian award in the country. Sahu led 800 women in Jaintia Hills region to cultivate and boost popularity of indigenous high curriculum content Lakadong variety of turmeric. She was helped the literate women with organic certification, marketing, documentation to avail subsidies. What started with 800 farmers now has 100 turmeric self-help groups in her federation. The award was conferred by the President of India at a ceremonial function on January 26 held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Farmers from the Shihar, the southmost district of Mizoram, are earning 14 times more than they used to just 2 years ago. The chili is famous bird's eye, which has a geographical index tag and is also known as for its ranking in Scoville scale, a measurement of spiciness. The scale raised the chili as high pungent. Over 280 farmers of the district grew about more than 1 lakh kgs of fresh chilies, resulting in about 3,200 kgs of dry chilies. Bhupesh Chaudhary, who served as 10 years Deputy Commissioner of Shihar District, Mizoram, initiated the facilities of farmers into self-help groups and cooperative societies, which helped them to double the price they were receiving. The farmers, with the formation of the self-help groups, could make better storage facilities. Value addition to the bird's eye chili was initiated by the self-help groups, which led to doubling their income. Northeast India is well known for its agri-horticultural products like Khasi mandarin of Meghalaya, Kanchai lemon of Manipur, and Queen pineapple of Tripura, which receive geographical indicators. Blessed with biodiversity, fruits and vegetables, flowers, herbs and aromatic plants, Northeast India has the potential to transform into a commercial hub for agribusiness. Northeast India is endowed with varied agroclimatic facilities, production of temperature, subtropical and tropical agricultural commercial commodities, maximizing its potential for agro-food processing, horticulture, floriculture, farming and livelihood. 6 agricultural scientists from 3 states of Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Tripura, received ICAR's National Award. The scientists have been awarded for their outstanding innovation in farming and boosting the agricultural economy in the region. On the 92nd Foundation Day, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, conferred these awards at a ceremony organized on a virtual platform. Thank you for watching Kiran News. Stay tuned.